just another little update. Finished me tea, drinking me bud. Don't know if you can hear it, but it was absolutely gorgeous out. Now it's started raining. I don't know if it's a passing cloud or what, but yeah, it's still quite nice out. Good job I got a good roof over my head. Yes, the other big problem is the bed is really only big enough for one. And have I got the heart to kick the dog out? She's going to be a bit heavy, isn't she? Oh. I better keep that fire stoked by the sound of it. Good job I got a nice little pile of that's to be dry, super dry, and that's me bits and pieces that I've collected around here. It is a bit damp, but with the super dry underneath it should be alright. Yeah, so waiting for the darkness. That's all for now. Well, I doubt if you can see a lot now. It is well dark. Fire's still going. It was glowing nicely red at the bottom of the chimney. I tried to video it, but it didn't pick it up for some reason. I'm going to shut it down now. I won't shut it right down. And I'm going to crawl into my pit now. I don't know what I'm going to have to kick the good old dog out. There's the dog hogging my pit. So we're going to struggle now to... I'll probably make a bed for her there. I've got an extra old sleeping bag and a bit of tarp, so I'll put the tarp on the floor, shut the sleeping bag down there, and hopefully she'll have the sense to snuggle up on it. Yeah, so I should be listening for the nightlife now. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you again soon. Bye.